is Saffron, and welcome to Saffron's Beauty Unboxings. Today I'm going to be opening up my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for May 2022. It's like $30 a month. Well, it's actually $28 a month, but excuse me, after tax it's like $30 a month, and you get to choose 3 out of 5 products, and the other 2 Ipsy chooses for you. And I got my bag yesterday, and I thought I'd open it up today. Today's the what's today? Today's the 17th, and I received it the 16th. And this is about the average time that it comes in. It comes in about mid-month, so. And I'm pretty excited because I think the choices this month were a lot better than previous months. Sometimes, like, you have your choice day on the 2nd, and a lot of the things I could choose from wasn't really stuff, I really use, or have on my profile. But I heard somewhere that BoxyCharm and Ipsy are come together, and Ipsy has like BoxyCharm products or something, but the choices you could select from are a lot better than months that I have had prior, so pretty excited. This is a little package, little bubble mail thing they put it in. Here's the first product. This was an add-on that I chose. It's like a little hair, like if you do like a facial, you can kind of tie your hair back, or your makeup. Maybe. You see if it fits. Yeah, it fits. I kind of like it. It'll pull my hair back, when I do my makeup, or even if I do like a facial mask, I'll pull my hair back. I think this is like $3.50 or something. So if I do an add-on, I usually get like cheaper ones, like the $3 ones. Like if I need cleanser, I'll get a cleanser. It's really good. Like if you're out of a certain product, you can just put it on your add-ons. And here's the bag. I think this is one of the prettiest Ipsy bags I've ever seen. Very pretty. Kind of almost reminds me of like the feeling of the bag. Kind of reminds me of like a pillowcase, like bed sheets or something. I don't know. It's very soft. Look, it's very pretty. Love it. Look, it's pretty full. Look at that. Let's see what we got. I'm pretty excited. And first product is Murad Hydration Sensitive Skin Soothing Serum. And this is one I chose. Let's see what the value of it is. Value is $65. That's what the bottle looks like. I'll have to try it. I like serums. Let me kind of try it on my hand. If I can. I don't know if I can try it or not. These things don't want to go down. There it goes. There's a little bit. Feels very light, doesn't feel heavy. I'll have to try that. Feels really nice on my hand. And it's pretty much absorbed. It's pretty quick. And use it AM to PM, massage evenly over clean face, neck, and chest. It's to be nice for summer. It's not too heavy. Let's see what the next one is. This is an antioxidant spray toner. It's from Dr. Brandt. One thing I like about this subscription is that you get full-size items, and you only pay like $30 per month. And I mean, they're expensive stuff. That's what I love about this. It's cheaper than going to the store, in my opinion. Yeah, this is $35. This costs more than the bag, especially that little serum. But decided to try it. I was kind of out of spray toner. So, see what the next item is. Refreshments Luscious Hand Cream. This was an add-on. Sorry about that. Little add-on. And it smells like citrus. Well, I'm gonna have to get the safety seal out, but it's like $3, so you can't beat a hand cream. The next item is a Rhodile Soft Focus Glow Drops. And it's like a glow primer. That's what the bottle looks like. Feels very nice. Let's see. Try a little bit of it. There's a little dropper. You put it on there. That's what it kind of looks like. Kind of has a glow to it. I'll have to try it. Let me see what the value of that is. And I think this is one I chose. The toner was chosen for me, though. Oh no, both this and the toner were chosen for me. And I like to get skincare more so than makeup, because makeup I really don't wear. I may wear makeup once or twice a week. And skincare I'll use up. Well, it says it's a primer and a serum, but this would be nice to wear, you know, on days when you wear makeup. This is $60. I would not pay $60 for skincare like on my own, but a subscription, yeah, you know, I'll gladly take it for $30 a month. So, yeah, $60. I guess you can use it as skincare because this on the website it says it's a serum, but this it says it's a primer. I guess it's both. It's pretty exciting. And got a little paper thing that says Wild Beauty. Grow with TikTok. I don't do the TikTok stuff. I'm more of a YouTube person. TikTok, I don't know. And it's about brands that started with mom. I don't really like these paper things. I don't really pay attention to them. I wish it would tell like the products, you know, like if it had your products. They only really do that for the main Glam bag, but I'm gonna toss this. Let's see what the next item is. Caffeine eye cream. I'm glad I got some eye cream because I was kind of running out of it. This is BU Caffeine Firm Eye Cream. Little squeezy tube. I think I kind of have. I love caffeine. I gotta have a frappe in the morning. Like I cannot function without a frappe. I don't know why, but I gotta have like one of those bottled frappes or Dunkin' things in the morning. I gotta have something like where I cannot feel like I haven't woken up unless I've had frappe or something. So maybe this will wake up my eyes in the morning. This is valued $16. That's not a bad price. And it's eye cream, of course. But I'll have to try it. Maybe it'll wake up my eyes in the morning, you know. And I got this cleanser. It was an add-on. Kind of running out of the cleanser, so, and it really, well, I had one choice as a cleanser, but I chose something else instead, and I'll show you it here in a moment. But this little add-on, it's a little cleanser, Barrier Culture Cleanser, the new company. I'll have to try it. And the last product I got, I don't know, it was this, between this and a cleanser, but I was like, I kind of want to get this because I've seen it in like those, what are those the Glam X or whatever, like a lot of those Glam X items. I'm glad I don't do that, because eventually they trickle down to the, there's an item you kind of like, I'll watch those videos and I'll see an item I kind of like, and it eventually trickles down to like the Glam Bag Plus. So I'm not going to do Glam Bag X. If I see something from Glam Bag X, it's probably going to be in the Glam Bag Plus eventually. So I just hold out for that. This is from one from last year. It's like an eyeshadow palette. It's a Moonlight Crystal palette. I've seen it in Glam X, I think it was last year. They had this as a Glam Bag X item, and I was kind of eyeing it. I'm glad I got to choose it. But I would suggest, if you do Ipsy, don't do Glam Bag X, because there's an item, if you watch reveal videos, those items are going to come eventually in the Glam Bag Plus. So just wait. I don't know. Just wait till then, I think. Because this was in the Glam Bag X box from last year. Because a little card. I don't know. That kind of gives me eerie vibes. I think I'm going to throw that out. It looks like a tarot card. I'm going to throw that out. I don't do tarot cards. I do not do astrology. I just believe that stuff's evil. That's just my opinion. I've done tarot cards. You do not want to play those things. But, here's the palette. Or the outside. This is what the palette looks like. It's really pretty. I like the colors. Kind of swatch. It doesn't have a mirror. Let me read the inside of it. Hello, beautiful. We have removed the mirror and magnets inside to be more sustainable. We strive to make the most sustainable choices in our products, and let's be real. You'll probably be using this palette in front of the mirror anyway. By removing the mirror and magnets, it becomes fully recyclable, and we are saving this palette going directly to the landfill. It's win-win for both of you and our Mother Earth. Thanks for your love and understanding. Good vibes, beauty. I kind of like that. Glad they're trying to be friendly with the earth, you know. But don't those colors look pretty? They're very pretty. Let's see what this blue one looks like. That's kind of pretty. To play around with it. That card, ugh, I don't like it. But let me show you what the value of this is. But it's kind of cool they're being earth friendly with the eyeshadow palette. $58. It's about a $60 palette. But I think I'll have to try it out. Look at that blue. That's pretty. But I think it's supposed to have crystals in it too. It's supposed to be crystal infused. Kind of excited to try that out. But that's all for my May 2022 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Hope you enjoyed watching my video. Please like, please subscribe, please follow me on social media. My Facebook page, my Facebook group. Please join my Facebook group. I have 1.2K members now. I'm very happy about that. And please like, follow me on social media, everything. And thank you for watching. Y'all have a great day. Goodbye.